We will guide you through how to save HandBrake video. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, press the Windows key to open the Start menu on your computer. Type HandBrake into the search field and select HandBrake from the displayed applications. Allow the program to load its main interface completely before continuing. Once HandBrake is ready, click Open Source to bring a video into the editor. Browse your computer and select the footage you want to process. Then give HandBrake a moment to analyze the selected file. After the video has loaded, check the output options before preparing the export. Open the Summary tab and select the format you want to use for the finished video. Choose a suitable format based on your intended use and compatibility requirements. Next, switch to the Video tab to review the encoder and quality settings. Make sure the selected encoder and quality level are appropriate for the video you want to save. After checking the encoding settings, scroll down to the destination area of the window. Click Browse to select an output location for the processed video. Choose the folder where you want the finished video to be stored, making sure you select a location that is easy to find later. Type a suitable name for the exported file so you can identify it easily after the encoding process finishes. Check that the file name has the appropriate extension, depending on the format you selected in the output settings. Confirm that the displayed destination path points to the correct folder and that the file name is correct before starting the export. When you are ready, click Start Encode in the toolbar to begin processing the video. HandBrake will encode the footage using the settings you selected and save the finished file to the destination you specified. Wait for HandBrake to complete the encoding process before closing the application or moving the output file.